there's one thing that I know, people love the idea of renovating properties, but let's be honest, most people do not have the time to do it. On a townhouse like this, usually you'd expect to have to come in and do all these updates, but our client's done an amazing job doing a brand new kitchen, great renovations. It's just ready to move right into. Come on in, let's take a look at it. So with any real estate that you purchase, of course, location is absolutely key. And Blue Jay Hills here is a great spot. The family is going to be wonderful for because you've got all kinds of kids for them to play with. And just before we go inside, I'll tell you a little bit about the community. So people love living in this area because of Fish Trap Creek. It's right around the corner, amazing levels of school. You've got High Street Shopping Mall with a theater up there. So there's tons of stuff to do with the family. So now that you know where you're located within the community, come on inside, let's have a look. So for most townhomes, I think you're always feeling a little bit pressed for space, but in this one, you've got a massive living room right off the entrance. You could probably even play a game of volleyball in here on your Nintendo Switch. And as we transition over here to the dining room, you've got a great space with a fireplace, built-in cabinets. It's pretty sweet. But now my favorite place, the kitchen. So the kitchen is brand new, it's amazing. It's got a huge island for entertaining your people, clean lines, black candles, it looks awesome. Under cabinet lighting, this place is sweet. You're gonna love cooking here. When you head upstairs, you've got 2 large bedrooms for the kids, plus they have their own 4-piece, fully renovated bathroom. And then you also have your master's suite, which has its own ensuite and dual closets. So if you're watching this video and just curious to know what your property is worth, we'd love to connect with you, but click on the link below and we'll send you the price, 3D floor plans, and all the amazing marketing for this wonderful property.